pasa natin, passport. Okay, ito yung start ko with the starting code. Yung post ko sa Facebook. Riding day 1 start, and then Baler checkpoint, odometer reading, Apari checkpoint, odometer reading, Lawag checkpoint, odometer reading, former highest point checkpoint, odometer reading, Alaminos, odometer reading, Subic Zambales checkpoint, odometer reading, San Juanico Bridge, and then General Santos checkpoint, odometer reading, and then yung finish line ko sa Petron Sabarte, then Ferry Point Matnog, San Isidro, Samar, Port of Liloan, Leyte, tapos Surigao, then Dapitan papuntang Dumaguete, tapos Bacolod, and then Dumangas, Iloilo, tapos Katiklan, and then Bulalakaw, tapos Calapan, then last ferry point is Batangas City. Then memories of my riding days: 1, 2, 3 with amigos, Philippine Loopers, tapos riding 1 to 3 with my wife. Okay, then riding day 4 going Vismin solo, tapos may namit ako. So from Manila, yung riding day 4 ko is diretso sa Surigao, and then riding day 5 Surigao to Jensan, then riding day 6 Jensan sa napakalayong Coronadal, then 7 mula Jensan, mula Coronadal going to hanggang kami niyan, Dumaguete. Then next riding day 8 Dumaguete, Bacolod to Iloilo, then riding day 9 Iloilo to Katiklan, then rest day kami sa Boracay, and then riding day 10 Katiklan to Quezon City. Receipts, ito yung pinayaran ko nung nag-start ako April 26, yung nagbayad, yung receipts ko, then receipts, Hotel Dian, another receipts, riding day 3 receipts, riding day 4 receipts, day 4 pa din, and then day 4 ulit, then Matnog, day 4 ulit, and day 4, and then dito ako stay day 4, then day 5 gasoline, day 5 pa din accommodation, day 5, day 6 hotel accommodation sa Coronadal Leyte Hotel, then gastos sa day 6, then day 7 more on lang to, gasoline, kasi yung day 7 onwards namin is pre-arranged booking na ng Mindanao Freedom Riders ang hotel at Roro.